God, miren qué belleza. Se vino la...
A major winter storm is expected to hit much of the U.S., dumping heavy snow from Kansas to Maryland. States in the Midwest, including Illinois, will likely be in the thick of the action as a disruptive winter storm moves eastward through the weekend and into early next week. The National Weather Agency said the storm could result in major travel impacts, blizzard conditions and the potential for significant ice. Impacts will begin in the Central Plains on Saturday night, then across the Ohio Valley on Sunday, where severe travel disruptions are expected. It can be seen in several videos circulating on social media that a number of areas have been affected by this extreme storm.
Oh my God, miren qué belleza. Se vino la nieve. Wow.
It is snowing.
I didn't even think it would actually work.
The latest forecast shows up to 12 inches of snow accumulating in parts of west-central Illinois, where a winter storm warning went into effect Saturday evening. It was reported that rapidly accumulating snow could make travel very difficult to impossible in a 17-county area including Quincy, Pittsfield and Edwardsville, from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Monday morning. Meteorologists appeal to all people to be very careful if they want to travel outside the house.
Vino la nieve. Wow, qué bello. Ay, yo muy feliz.
It is snowing.